Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my Pipsticks in. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see. This one is the classic kid, so I don't want to open. I'll do that one second because I like doing the adult one first. Because the kid one is my favorite. It really is. So, okay, so the little booklets are cute. They're really cute. I don't know what to do with all my booklets, you guys. I don't want to recycle them, but at the same time, I'm thinking of just putting them all together and then like donating them to the Goodwill because they're cute, right? And they're all brand new, so, and I don't need them. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But do you think anyone would want to buy them from the Goodwill? I don't know. But all the books I have, I don't need them. So yeah. So what do you guys do with yours? Let me know. So. Alright, so let's see what we got this time around. I'm so excited. Okay, let me scoot you in. Okay, so we have a big old cactus with yarn, and it's like its grandma made him a little sweater for the winter time. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, so that's knitting and crochet, and then this one is an arts and crafts. So, let me, oh, I know what I have. Let me see. I know what I have. I have this. Okay. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh, so this is like a whole arts and craft one. Oh, how fun. I needed this. You can't make me. Oh, bless your heart. I love that for you. Don't talk to me. Oh, cute. It's embroidery. It's this is cross stitch. I do cross stitch. That is awesome. I love it. This is awesome. A total crafters set this month. Oh yeah, I can use all of this in my project life. Perfect. Oh, look at friendship bracelets. You guys remember making those? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at pottery. Oh, how cute. It's a pottery. And then we have paints and markers and X-Acto knives and scissors. And we have, oh look at, it's all our stuff that we have in our craft room. Glitter. Do you guys see that glitter? The tub with Pipstick stickers. How cute. And, oh, I love it. Real class sticker collector. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. Oh, look at this. I love crafting. Friends who craft together stay together. Oh my gosh. I'm having a macrame. How cute. I'm having a sew day in June, not July, because July's not Christmas in July. I'm doing Christmas in June. So my friends and I are going to get together and sew hopefully Christmas tops. How cute. Look at this one. Hey, look at, she's all tattooed up. What the heck? And then buttons. Buttons, so cute. The computer. Oh, I love it. Oh, and look at crafty. Oh, how sweet is that? I love the postcard this month. That is so fun. Okay, I love it. This one was awesome. Totally awesome. Let's see what the kids one gets us. So the kids one is this one. Oh, look, it's a snake. It looks like a snake, right? Is that a snake? To me, it's a snake. Oh, look at how cute. See, these are all so fun for kids. So, and I would love to do them, but honestly, I would love to color them and everything else. But then what do I do with it after I'm done? So I'd rather have another child enjoy it. So another child, because I'm calling myself a child when I color. Yes, I am. Look at the donuts. This is awesome, you guys. This is totally awesome. I love this one. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so let's see what we get for the kids one. So worth it. $19.25 a month per pack, and you get 15 stickers. So okay, so we have the chameleons. Very glittery chameleons. Love it. Oh my gosh, and look at this one. How cute. They're dancing animals, party animals. And then a bird with her nest, and you can stacker. And then flowers. And I barely put mine in a binder, and I didn't realize that there's 3 different sizes, and that's how they are for all of them. So like this one is the same size as this one for the adult, so that way you can put them in your binder and they match up perfectly, you guys. So it's really nice. So they have the panda, so then that would go with that one. And then they have the butterflies, which are just gorgeous. And then monkeys. Oop, they have monkeys. And then they have, oh, like a caterpillar and some bugs. How fun. And we have pink lion, a walrus. How cute. Did I show the monkeys already? Did I show the monkeys? I think I showed the monkeys, right? And then the toucans. Cute. Oh, look it. Oh, I love it. This one is my favorite. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is my favorite. Oh, I love it so much. That one's awesome. Oh my gosh, look at that guy. He's a puffed up steroid little bird there. Jeez. And an alligator. Oh, look at his little pointy little mouth. Wow, cool. And then let's see, and then of course I always leave my favorite for the last. So this is so cute too, the postcard that you can color the monkey. I was looking at my postcards and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to send to some of my friends randomly just to say hi. And they're so cute. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Scratch and Sniff orange. These are my favorite. Getting these. The Scratch and Sniff are my favorites. And the puffies. The puffies are my absolute favorite. So I love these puffy stickers, if you can see. They're so fun, you guys. I love this, getting these kits every month. I really do. I do. I love, between Spellbinders and Pipsticks, I'm set. Alright guys, take care. I'll leave a link below, and oh yeah, so favorite. We'll see you all next month. Bye.